So Paul goes and he continues and he begins to speak some strong words. Very strong words, and it's straightforward. And you can go read it again in the week. Verse 5, he says, put to death, therefore, whatever belongs to your earthly nature. And he begins to use examples, and we're not going to put attention on the examples, but you can go read those examples. It's important to understand those examples, but we don't have time to share those examples. But he says, put to death, therefore, whatever belongs to your earthly nature. Sexual immorality. Anything outside of marriage between a husband and wife, it is wrong. Anything outside of marriage between a husband and wife is wrong. In marriage, it is good. God has ordained it like that. He has planned it like that. But outside of marriage, it is bad. Impurity, doing things that's impure, lust, evil desires, greed, which is idolatry. So what is Paul saying here? Paul is saying what? He says, put to death. He is not saying, accommodate these things in your life. Work with these things in your life. Negotiate with these things. Work on it. No. What is he saying? He says, put it to death. Put these things to death. If these things are evident in your life, publicly or secretively, Paul is saying, put these things to death.